I'm happy that I'm here, but I'm so nervous.
You can just shake it off. Yes, yes. Your name is Faith Serla.
Wait, Serla.
Serla, okay. How old are you?
I'm already 19.
And you're Kapampangan?
Yeah, I'm proud Kapampangan.
Proud Kapampangan. Have you ever joined any singing competition before?
I've joined singing competitions when I was in high school, but mga inter-school competitions lang po. I'm not very fond of amateur contests and competitions like this po, big competitions.
But why did you join? And how is this different from the other competitions
From
that
the
you
other
joined?
competitions.
Yes.
I don't consider it as a competition. I consider
Okay.
it as an opportunity for me. Super happy ko po ngayon because I had the chance to inspire people and I do not have the intentions to win po the intention to win po talaga.
Oh, so you're just here for fun?
Yeah, for fun and for inspiring people. Through my song.
So just the experience?
Yeah, the experience.
Okay, and what are you singing for us this afternoon?
Today I'll sing The Glow by Sarah Geronimo.
And am I to assume that Sarah Geronimo is your idol?
Yeah, one of my idols, and Lea Salonga and the Disney Princesses.
Okay.
My idols.
All right, we'd like to hear it from you. Take it away.
Thank you.